So let me just transition here to some of the software, right? We said you don't really buy this piece of hardware without buying the software. It's married together. That's where the value comes, is from the dashboard. It requires you having good sensors installed correctly and working correctly on your tanks to get that good data. But this is where you see that data. And so it's mobile friendly. So you can bring this up on your cell phone or desktop laptop. You don't need to load an app on your phone. It resizes to the phone pretty well. And you can add or subtract columns to see just what you want to see. In my case, I have many columns up here, and use that just to give a guide of what some of the capabilities are. But you get, first of all, a prioritized grid. So if you're managing mini tanks and the idea is that you need to keep them full and you want to keep them, dispatch people to them efficiently, you want them to run low but not run out. This is a great application. And this tank grid puts the ones you need to service at the top of your list, i.e. the ones that are getting low. And you can use this empty column to understand how many gallons you can bring to the tank, so you can load up your dispatch and send them to these tanks with the right amount of gallons. You can also use this days to empty as a predictor. So the days to empty is doing a calculation or prediction based on your average consumption. So if you have a different rate of consumption through different seasons or different customers, this is a good, easy insight to not just manage based on low in the tank, but also the pace of the consumption, and make sure you service those tanks appropriately.